Do for ano, eto lang thought ko lang 'to, te. Kung gusto niyo matuto talaga ng ano, if you wanted to work for ang goal niyo is to work for studios, I suggest learning yung mga ano, yung mga standards when it comes to studios instead of learning stuff na ano, yung mga stuff na parang like learning applications na freeware and stuff ganyan. Kasi example, you wanted to work talaga sa studio, ang madalas kasi yung ano, ang standard ng studios are Adobe and ano, recently yung ano, when it comes to illustrations and manga, Clip Studio Paint, yun yung madalas yung gagamitin. Kasi yun din yung files na binabato sa'yo, certain files na yun. So, I suggest learning those apps instead of ano, focusing on just on applications na freeware din naman. Pero kung you're just doing it like you just wanted to learn for yourself, ganyan, wala ka na bang goal to ano, to work in a few months later o kaya weeks later, it's better to ano, ano na lang, use whatever. Like for me, ito, yung Paint Toolsai, kasi nga, wala na pa naman ako sa studio. Pero, nung the moment na nasa studio ako, I had to learn how to use Photoshop, I had to learn how to use certain applications. Kaya din, right now, I'm learning, ano, Clip Studio Paint in the back kasi yun na rin yung nagiging standard lately when it comes to illustrations tsaka manga making. So, if yung ang goal mo is to work with a studio, learn their tools para pagdating doon hindi ka na mangangapa and you know na kung paano gamitin yung tools na inaabot nila sa'yo. Kasi, ayun din yung sa akin eh. Yung sa studio ko din dati last time, ang standard talaga namin is Photoshop. It's just thankfully yung ano namin, yung art team namin, hindi naman siya ganun kahigpit na kailangan Photoshop lang talaga yung gagamitin. So, may leeway ako to use other stuff like this one, yung Paint Toolsai, ganun. Pero may studio ako na pinagtrabahuan before na talagang standard talaga nila is Photoshop. So, wala akong choice kundi to learn Photoshop. Tapos meron din ako ganun, ano, Illustrator, ganyan. Learn those applications para naman parang ano ka din, equip ka din for studios. Ayun, wala lang, naisip ko lang. Tayo lang.